Hey Pitmasters! I'm currently working on my book. I've got 3 recipes so far, but they're good. They're gonna be fantastic. Got my Skittles, I got my coffee, got my inspiration. So far for the writing, well, looking good. Nice new cabinets. Unloaded, installed in the barbecue lab. Look at that. Looking good, right? So the idea is that all of this stuff, which is behind here, which is a lot of stuff, we're going to move it into the cabinets, as well as all the stuff that's over here. And we stored it dry, but it's a lot of stuff and it's a big mess, so we need to sort that out. I got good news.
Well,
the cabinets are here.
Yeah? What's going on?
So we're going to fill them up.
So we're not going to record?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to make you burgers while you are doing the cabinets.
Now that changes the whole thing.
That's what I'm thinking. You're just gonna have to trust me. It's gonna be a good burger.
You didn't put shelves in?
You have to still put the shelves in first.
You did nothing.
I did nothing? Who did, what?
I didn't put them here.
I ordered them!
Yeah.
I ordered them! Can you imagine that after we put everything in here, we never have to look for it again? We can find everything. Denise, you never have to look for hours for the fire starters anymore.
We can go home early.
Go home early. What is wrong with her?
I'm joking.
We can have it's extra barbecue time. Come on. I know they're nice, Morrison. Stop doing that. One thing you have to promise me, everything you put in, you have to put in clean.
Okay, Mr. Boss Man.
Did you guys hear that? She called me a boss. But the idea that I've got is this area where Denise and Morrison actually right now are filling up the cabinets. This area is going to be like a barbecue lab. It's like one section of the barn. And here is another section of the barn, as you can see. So this part is going to be like a development area for flavors. We got a washing machine, we got a workbench, we got our fridge, we got our freezers. We're storing everything there. And in this area we're going to be cooking. So I want to have barbecue set up here with the sole purpose of cooking and developing flavors. All kinds of stuff, everything that you can imagine.
Why don't you focus
I'm
on
always
the burger?
The burger. You hungry?
Focus on the burger.
I better start cooking. I'm going to be grinding up my meat first. I bought some chuck roast, grind it up, get the nice fresh burger patties. I have nice looking grills. Gotta take care of that Junior. It's the baby grill, but she's a beauty. What do you think? Looking pretty or what? Now let's fire her up so we can start working on Morrison and Denise's burger. Look at that, we still have our big block charcoal in there. We can use this. This is good stuff. We're only going to need 1 fire starter to light this whole thing up. Stick it in there and set it on fire. Now we're going to give this around 10 to 15 minutes to get up to temperature, and then we'll start cooking. Now this is definitely going to be a good burger. Grinding up your own meat is a big step of the process. This way you control the outcome of the burger patty. How coarse is it going to be? How is it going to be structured? So that's what we'll do right now. I got some big chunks of meat here, and it's a marbled piece of meat. A lot of fat in there. Now we're going to cut this up into cubes. Let's put this in the grinder and grind it up into our own beautiful minced meat. Look at that meat to fat ratio. That's absolutely fantastic. This is going to be such a juicy burger, Morrison. You're going to be really happy you did the job. It's totally going to be worth it. Look at that. Such beautiful minced meat. Have you ever seen better minced meat in your life, Morrison? Look at it. Real nice and coarse. A lot of fat in there. Woohoo! If you want a really smooth patty burger, you're going to be grinding it twice, so the consistency will be smooth. But I know Morrison, he likes a chunky burger. He wants his burger to have explosive flavors, and you want to be able to taste the meat and feel the meat going into his mouth. Oh, that sounds weird. So that's why we're grinding this only once. And I just gotta ask, Morrison, how many burger patties do you want on your burger? 1 or 2?
2 burgers with 1 patty.
2 burgers.
No, on only 1 burger.
Oh, then 2 burger patties.
See, typical Dutch guys you are. Always trying to sneak in an extra burger. So this pile is yours, this pile is mine, and this pile is Denise's. Now we're going to shape this up into patties. Now before we're going to start cooking this burger, I got a little surprise. We're going to be melting some butter. I'll explain why it is later. Put the pan on a hot fire, add 250 grams of butter. Yeah, there you go. Now we're going to let this butter melt, and when it's fully melted, we're going to add some ingredients. You're going to love this, Morrison. Our butter is starting to boil. We're looking good. Now I want to add fresh parsley, which I already prepared. This is around 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. We're also going to add 2 garlic cloves. And last but not least, half a tablespoon of fleur de sel. Look at that, the flavors are mixing up. The smell of this is just insane. Now we want to give the garlic a little bit of time to let go of the flavors, to mix in, to soften up. Now we'll take this off the grill. I'm going to set it aside. It's okay if it cools off a little bit. What I always like to do is I want to make sure when I'm cooking a burger I got all my ingredients set up. So what I got is some sliced onion, some sliced tomatoes, sliced pickles, some fresh lettuce. So now we're going to be toasting our burger buns. Slice them open, toast them over direct heat. We want to keep checking these, make sure they don't burn. See, this one is almost ready. And before it's fully ready, we're going to brush some of that garlic parsley butter quickly back on the grill, and look at that butter go. Next one on, there we go. Morrison, you got the best burger coming up, man. This is gonna be so tasty. Totally worth it, brother.
How's the progress going?
Well, not so good.
You must agree with me, guys. They're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Keep going. When you're gonna grill burgers, you wanna make sure that you got your grill grate as non-stick as possible. So I'm taking my brush and I'm cleaning it up first. Then I'll take a paper towel with a little bit of olive oil and clean up grill grates while at the same time making them non-stick. Let's start working on a burger. We'll start with Denise's burger. She got the biggest one, Marcia. I'm sorry. Look at that patty. Ooh, looks so good. And since Denise wanted a double patty burger, we got another one going on. There we go. Oh, I'm excited about Denise's burger. I should be more excited about my burger. Let's sprinkle on a little bit of salt, put some lettuce on our burger bun, 3 slices of tomatoes, and now we can put our burger patty on. This one is falling apart. Now that's not necessarily a bad thing. I like my burger to be stuck together, of course, as much as you guys do. But when we grind it real coarse and we're going for that extra crunch on the outside, you gotta take your losses. When you're using a griddle plate or a cast iron pan, you don't have this problem. But if you use a grill grate, it might happen to you too. But the good thing is, you got a great fat ratio, a great crust, and a lot of flavor. Still a damn tasty burger, but holding it together as much as I can. Nice and pink on the inside. We'll put in 2 slices of onion, drizzle in a little bit of our butter. On goes the next patty. Oh yeah, looking good. A little bit of our favorite Japanese mayonnaise. Put the cap on, and we're done. And voila! Are you happy, Denise? Worth it? Now you have to eat it. Go ahead. We're all waiting for it. I'm getting hungry as well. It's gonna be messy.
Wait a minute. Oh my god.
It's good, right? Homemade burgers are the best every single time. Are you getting hungry, Marcia? I'm getting so hungry.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. I want to keep on cooking, Marcia. I still have to make your burger, my burger. Now you said you want to bake some, Marcia, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's crispen up some bacon. Got some extra thick bacon here. By Dutch standard. Crispen that up. Now we'll put the burger patties on. Let's try and keep this one intact. Second one. Now we're going to be grilling these extra crisp because that's the way to get a good flavor out of these burger patties. Just going to gently flip this. There we go. As the charcoal was getting less and less and I want to still cook my burger properly, I got the lid closed for a while. gives a little more suction and a little bit more radiation heat. Of course, we're going to put on a base layer of lettuce. There we go. A slice of cheese. And this is Beemster cheese. This is premium cheese with a lot of flavor, but it's still a young cheese, so it will melt easily. A strip of bacon, the next burger patty, another layer of cheese, 2 slices of onion. Now I got my pan of butter back on the grill and I'm letting it come up to temperature because here's the secret. We're gonna use that butter to melt the cheese. I'm feeling like Dr. Evil right now. And when our butter is sizzling hot, we're going to pour it over our cheeseburger. Wow, look at that. Time to put the cap on. Burger time!
It's done.
I show you my appreciation. You better freaking like the burger.
Can I do this?
Do it!
Yeah?
We're waiting.
Oh.
Is it good?
Yeah. The fattest burger I've ever tasted, but I love it.
It's like biting into a giant crouton.
At first I thought maybe it doesn't fit the taste of a burger, but it's perfect. Sorry that I doubt you.
The horrible thing is that now I know how you feel.
Yeah?
Because normally I always eat first.
Yeah.
This is so bad.
Yeah.
This is really horrible.
Oh. But that
You have the shittiest job ever. I'm so hungry watching you eat right now. Something came out of your throat. I don't know what that was.
Just like some holy sound.
Holy?
I don't know what it is. It just came to me.
I hope it's... This is too much. I can't take it. Get out of my way. I need my burger. Now I'm going to be making my own burger. It's going to be the same one as Morrison, except I only have 1 patty. Just eat it, get back to work.
No.
You still have a lot of things to do.
Finishing it.
Now, of course, I made myself a very modest burger patty and a modest burger. Look at it. Oh my God. A good young cheese for a burger. Man, those were some good burgers. I always love it to have a good burger, especially when you're doing a job. It just fulfills you, it just makes you satisfied inside and it allows you to keep going. It's important when you make a burger that it stands out. Fast food burger restaurants, they have these soggy burgers, no crisp, no texture. This burger was crispy, it had crazy texture. And that's what made it so good. No mayonnaise, no ketchup, just butter, garlic, a good burger, a good bun. You're golden. You're golden. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And a special thanks of course to our Patreons and our YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. And let's check on Morrison and Denise. Are you guys done?
What does it look like?
Still could use a little work. Keep going. You guys are doing a great job.